Hey everybody, we're back still working with fractions and word problems. So just want to make sure before we go any further that you try to recognize that the two problems I'm going to do today will correlate with some of your practice problems on your slides. So maybe you can make some connections and realize where we're getting our whole numbers from, how we're getting our equal parts, and you put it together and it'll give you some assistance. So let's start with John brought 3 chocolate cakes to school. If he gives each student 1/4 of a cake, how many students will receive a piece? So my total, right, the T is going to be 3. He has 3 total cakes, right? And we're looking for the E and the G. Well, the equal parts or equal pieces, 1/4. So it's going to be 3 divided into 1/4. So I'm going to circle my 1/4, right? So here's my total. Here's my pieces. Now I'm looking for total pieces in the group, in the total group of pieces, right? So I have 3 cakes. I can represent that by drawing 3 circles. And I know that each one of the cakes has to be cut into fourths. So I cut them into fourths. And how many total pieces do I have? How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Or I can count all individuals. I can even label each piece 1/4. But I know that there are a total of 12 pieces. Now there's also another way that you may have been taught or your parents were taught. But I don't want to get into that because that's not what we're doing. So recognize 3 chocolate cakes divided into fourths. How many people will receive 1/4? 12 people will receive 1/4 of a cake. Hold on, I'm going to pause it and come right back. Okay, so we're back with a second video or a second clip. This one states, if 5 people share 1/4 of a large pie, how much of the pie will each person receive? Well, here we're changing it up in the sense that 1/4 is my total. That's all I have. So I have 1/4 being cut or shared between 5 people. So if I were to take a model and turn it into fourths, each one of these represents 1/4. So I'm going to shade in this portion. Okay. But now I'm dividing it between 5 people. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. My total becomes what? 5 times 4 is 20. So there would have been a total of 20 pieces if it was whole. But I'm only getting 1 out of 20. So each person would get 1/20th of a piece. It's a very small piece. So imagine taking 1/4 of your pizza pie and then taking that 1/4 and cutting it up between 5 people. You would get a very small piece. 1 out of 20, so it would be 1/20th. Refer to your slides, equate these 2 problems, and you'll see the correlation, and maybe they'll help you solve those problems on your slides. Best of luck, everybody. Have a great day.